These are different AI agents running in different apps using different models, but they can all enter the same workspace, understand what I'm working on, and pick up where the last one left off. They don't share a chat history. What they share is this ordinary folder. Hey, it's Levi. Let me show you how this ordinary folder runs my entire AI operating system. AGENTS.md tells the AI agent what room it just woke up in and how to work there. This is the boot file. It tells the agent where it is. It tells the agent how to work with me. It points to deeper context instead of holding everything itself. This is like the configsys and autoexec bat of the old DOS days, but for AI. That file gets the agent into the room and oriented. The next file tells it what's happening right now. The session-state.markdown file is the current checkpoint so that the next agent doesn't wake up cold. This is the sticky note I leave on my desk at the end of the day, letting myself know what needs handled tomorrow. It tells the next session what is active. It tells the agent what just happened. It tells the agent what's the next useful move. Without this, every new chat starts from scratch. So if session state keeps the current thread alive, then the project folder keeps all of these bodies of work separated. The projects folder gives each real body of work its own room. A harness needs a real place for each project to live. Project notes stay separate within each of these bodies of work. An AI agent can re-enter any one of these projects without me having to re-explain everything we've been up to inside of it. Big projects can grow without polluting the boot file. In my little presenter example here, I threw some projects in like launching a YouTube channel, a family TV picker project, website builds, actual real life projects like building a Mustang resto mod in the garage. All of these are sample projects of real world things that I'm working on. Projects keep the work organized. Memory keeps the lessons from disappearing. Memory.markdown is the router for durable context. Memories, decisions, references, preferences, and other things worth keeping. The agent needs a durable place to look for stored context. Current state is what's happening now. Memory is what should keep mattering later. Decisions stay settled. Corrections stop the same mistakes from repeating. And preferences keep the agent calibrated. Memory keeps context durable. Skills keeps repeatable work from needing the same lecture over and over each time. Skills turns repeatable workflows into reusable instruction files. Repeated workflows can live as files. The agent can read the workflow when that job comes up. I do not have to explain the same process every time. This is how the system improves without the model itself changing. For this channel, the video intake skill matters because it helped critique the very first draft of this exact video. A lot of people are talking about Claude Code skills right now, but the idea of skills is way bigger than just one tool. Save the workflow once and let the AI agent read that workflow when the job comes up. Now you have the pieces. The payoff is that the agent can change, but the room stays the same. Different AI agents can use the same folder-based operating context when they are given access to it. This is why I do not want my whole AI system trapped inside of one chat app. Codex can read it. Claude Code can read it. Cursor can read it. Hermes, OpenClaw, you name it. If an agent can access the folder, it can use the context that's stored there. The model changes, but the operating context stays locally right here on your computer. Now you can see why this works. The AI agent changes, but the room it wakes up in always stays the same. The model does not compound by itself. The written environment around it can. The model forgets, the chat ends, the app changes, but the folder can keep the rules, the current work, the memories, the projects, and the workflows. That is the harness. This series is not just going to be a tour of my finished harness. We are going to build one together, one file at a time. If that made AI any less scary or made any more sense, hit subscribe and follow along as we build a harness together.